Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to sync your audio file with your video clips. I created first a folder interview. In there I put all my video clips and my audio files. The first method that you can do is you can sync your audio file in the timeline. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your clip right up here, you import it to the timeline, you grab your audio file, import it to the timeline. Then you're going to select everything, click on your right, and then you go to Auto Align Clips based on the waveform. And boom, everything just happens with one button. Really quick way, but there is one downside thing on this method, because let's say that you had an interview and then you stopped your camera and you started again, and you stopped and you started again. Right? So now you want to align all of these three clips on this audio track. So when we do it like the first method, we're gonna select the clips, click on the right, based on the waveform. You see, he just put the waveforms under the first clip. But now, if we want to do that with our second clip, look what happens to the yellow track right up here. Boom, it will change. And this clip is not aligned anymore with the yellow track. So how can you avoid this? Just simply grab this video clip and put it under the yellow track, okay? So you tell Davinci that you need to align these clips on this track and not this track on these clips, okay? So I'm gonna show it to you right now. So the first track, based on the waveform, boom, that's good. Then we're gonna do the second one, based on the waveform, and now look to the yellow line, the yellow track that doesn't move. So I would do this method when you have more clips. If you just have one camera recording all the time, you can use the first method. But there is another really quick way to sync your audio files. Let me delete everything. You can sync it in your folder. So you're basically just gonna select your video clip and your audio file. You're gonna click on your right, and there you see auto sync audio based on timecode, but we're not gonna do timecode, we're gonna do waveform. And here you see two different ways. So based on your waveforms, and he will tell you based on waveforms and appended tracks. So what does this mean? If you click on this one, you will lose your original audio file. But we don't want that. We just want to keep our original audio file. So we're gonna base on the waveforms and append tracks. So let me click on this. Boom. You're just gonna import your video clip right up here. And you see, so now you have the original audio, and he synced up automatically the microphone audio file. This is the method that I use. It's just really quick to work with, and you don't lose your original audio file. If you think this was helpful for you, then please give me a comment, give me a like, and then I will check you out to my next videos. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye bye.